Brian back here with a look at blockchain bets. All right, this thing is pushing down again. Gonna try to get an answer here to what's going on. Gonna show you guys. You should get pretty excited actually what's going on here. All right, a lot of people out there, probably losing interest as this thing comes down, and that is totally fine with me. When this thing breaks out of this wedge, that's when the floodgates are going to open, and people are going to start pouring into this. All right, I'm going to show you here in a second what's going on. First off, let's take a look at the crypto bubbles here. And this knot coin, all right, for the day, we're going to take a look here. Flares up 3 point. This is the last hour. All right, you can see a little bit of corrective structure going on here. Caspa going against the Bitcoin. I just put out a Caspa video. If you're not familiar with Caspa, go check it out. All right. This thing has a very, very bright future. No financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I just show you the charts, what the charts say, and overall what's going on in crypto. Right, Casper has a very, very good roadmap, fantastic structure, just a great token. All right, you can see here Brett, another another meme coin. All right, $1.1 billion. Unbelievable. 113 million in volume in the last 24 hours. Look at Knot up 40%. All right, I just put out a Knot video. Probably not the time right now to be looking for another run up. Looks like possibly a corrective move coming in here, but 4.14 billion in volume last 24 hours. Market cap 2.34 billion. The price 0.00 or 0.0228. So looking pretty good, up 13 spots. If we come back over here, we'll take a look at the open interest, 69.5 billion. All right, last time we had a major correction. This was up towards 79. Liquidations are up 200%. And the total market cap of crypto, 99.1 billion, not the market cap, the volume, is up 42.2%. All right, now let's come back over here. I want to show you Bitcoin real quick here too. If you come in on I want to show you this trend line, this white line here. All right, you have valid touches. Grab my arrow. All right, you have valid touches here, and it means for it to be this big gigantic arrow. I'm meant for it to be my smaller arrow, but you put touch here, 2 touches down there, 2 touches here, and it came up here and it's breaking structure up here. All right, we're looking for an ABC down to 64,732. All right, it's looking on a smaller time frame. You can see this thing has lost that trend line. Probably going to go up now, retest it as resistance, and start rolling over. All right, you got your higher, the RSIs, 12 hours on the bottom, but starting to roll over a little bit. You got your 8 hour showing weakness, your 4 hour heading straight down. All right, you got your daily, getting right near the bottom here. All right, so looking for this thing to finish up on this ABC. Now, if it comes up and it takes out, right up here, 69.8, look out. Then we're heading up towards the $84,000 range. All right, but the first target, if it takes out this, we call it 70,000. You'll be looking for 75,000 there as the next short-term stop. All right, over here on blockchain bets. Now, I want to show you guys a few things. If we take a few measurements, all right, we're going to disregard this big wick right now. All right, I take that as just volatility in the market. All right, we just pull it down on top of this move right here. All right, you can see right up through here. You grab my smaller arrow. Right here we had a touch on a 702. Over here we had a touch on a 702. Okay, which would tell me that that's an ABC structure. All right, if we pull that down on top, that would give us a bottom of right where we're at. Is it this yellow line right down here in the bottom? Let me get rid of these ones, or at least that one. Now, if we zoom in and look at a couple things here, a double bottom scenario. And this would almost be a triple bottom on a weekly. You have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. All right, last time we had a double bottom scenario over here, you had blockchain bets and touch right down in this area here. I'll put a trend line here so you can see it a little bit better. Right through this area right here, which was support. Okay, you had multiple touches all through here. You had a run up, and then a pull back down, another touch here. 1 touch, 2 touch, bam, take off. All right, a double bottom is super bullish. All right, this is on a weekly chart. Now, if we come over and look at this current price action, what's going on a daily? All right, you can see the same, pretty much the same structure almost forming here, or setting up. All right, you have your 1 touch down through here. You have a run up, a pullback, and about a second touch about ready to happen down here. All right, now that daily RSI down here on the very bottom is getting very oversold, getting near the bottom here and getting ready to take off. You have your weekly right down at the very bottom here. Okay, your 5-day, same thing, just down at the very bottom. All right, so I'm looking for a more than likely a nice bounce right off of this area here, 0.0088. right around here. Okay, and looking for a break of this wedge. All right, this thing breaks this wedge right here. Was a fake out. Okay, if you come in on a daily and look at it, ended up pushing up through this wedge. Okay, I thought the breakout might be happening here, ended up pulling back both times and back into the wedge. All right, so keep your eye on this thing. I'm telling you, blockchain bets, when it busts out of this wedge, it is going to make a major move. Falling wedges are one of my favorite moves, or favorite patterns to trade. All right, and if you don't know how to do this stuff, please look into a level 3, guys. A level 3 membership. It's only $15. You get 20 some videos, 9 hours of videos, and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. Okay, so check that out over there. But I believe this structure here is coming to a finish. The RSIs are pointing that way. You got pretty much everything pointing that way. Coming in here for possibly a double bottom here. Like I said, especially on this daily, you can see this playing out. So no fear here. Please, not financial advice. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not selling at all. Okay, because when this bounce comes, this thing's gonna really take off. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.